Pochita, Chainsaw Man. Let's go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So, start with the eye. Circle with this black circle inside, right? So, center point of my page is about here. Come up over to the left. And we start with this sort of circular shape. If you have something like circular that you could draw around that was like the right size or something, you could do that. That's just a little bit too big. But if you have a stencil, that's good for circles. And then we just go around and we try our best to get it as circular as we can. It's not like a perfect circle in the anime or anything, but and just stop and check every now and then that you're not like drawing a triangle. Okay. Right. Well, like so. And then his black iris, it's not like perfectly in the center because he's looking over like this way. So you want to just do it over to the left a little bit. And so just like another smaller circle inside that circle, just to show that he's looking in a different direction. Right. And then of course this is black inside. It's got a little like shine on it, like a shaded part up here. So you could do that if you were coloring. I might just add a little highlight after. I might leave one maybe. What do I want to do? Okay, I'm going to draw a circle here. Right? And then I'm going to color this black and we'll see how that looks. Yeah, that's not too bad. I think I like that. So his mouth just across from the eye, right? So you just do this. It's nearly a circle again, right? So it's like just this curved round part. Like if you kept going, that you could make that a circle, but it kind of just stops here. It's like a circle with this part like cut off. And then his head. So it goes just around the eye here. Like so, starting like this, and then down this way. Okay. And this eventually will like come down here. We might as well do it now, right? Like so. So the chain goes this way. So we just do that, right? So we got like, goes out here. This way. And then up here. Right, and it curves around the front. Right, and then we got like an extra layer inside, so you just go around again. Okay, and then we break this up into different sort of sections like this. Okay, and if you want like some textures on the metal, like so, you can do that. And then spikes on the chain. So like spikes like this. You usually go small and big. So like small one, big one, kind of thing. Small, big. Right. And then we can just see the mouth on the other side. So just another little curved line just on this side. Right, so we have a handle on top of his head as well. So it starts up here close to the chain, close to the saw, and then diagonally, and then it changes direction this way. And then this bit will actually go over his head, so it'll come over this way. Right? And when you color, you'll like cover this part or erase it. And then the handle on the inside, down like that. And then this round part at the bottom that goes into his skin. And then we go up and across on the inside of the handle. So the rest of his body, right? So just here at his head, he's kind of like, his butt sort of jumps out, like his back curves around this way. Right? And this will go like all the way down to his foot, right? So this is like all the way down to where the foot is, like here. And the front curves like so. And we have a little gap, and then just the line for his belly there. All right, and then we got legs. So we've got like a leg here, curving down this way. And another leg on this side. And then the hind leg, the back leg there. And then a little bit more of his belly. Then we do all the feet. So they're just like little sort of round kind of feet like that. One of them there. Same thing on this side pretty much. And then on the back there. And then, what is that? Is that his leg? Or is it a shadow? That could be a shadow. Sorry, just talking to myself now. And then its foot on this side. There. Toes. So 3 toes on each one. 2 lines. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So how many legs? 4. Yeah. And then his tail. So he's got like an orange part first. And then the black sort of triangular part on the end. And I think that's everything. That's how to draw Pochita. Pochito or Pochita? Can't remember. Pochita from Chainsaw Man. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.